Dear Aries people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. In this short video, I present a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the power of love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter the month of July and live through it. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. The theme of the first card is self-love. The description on the card reads, you realize that love of self is necessary to love another. Self-love is the foundation of every love. You must learn to love your weaknesses as well as your strengths. For your weaknesses are stepping stones towards your growth as a person. The quality of love you give out to others is as good as the quality of love you give to yourself. If you do not nourish and cherish yourself and be grateful for what you are, you cannot truly love the other. For true self-love helps you to make a self-donation of yourself to others in love, compassion, and care. The theme of the second card is kindness. The description on the card reads, you are a humanitarian made of love, and you are able to share that energy with others. Your right loving yourself makes you a humanitarian made of love. When you place yourself in the space of kindness, you treat everyone with respect and tend to put their needs in par with yours and even before your own. You are magnanimous and unselfish in giving yourself to others without expecting anything back. Hence, being rightly self-centered makes you truly other-centered and altruistic. You will show to others the same kindness with which you treat yourself. The theme of the third card is joy. The description on the card reads, you delight in the love of life and bring a spirit of fun to all that you do. The attitude of joy, that is cheerfulness, is the net result of the attitudes of true love of self and genuine kindness towards others. The attitude of joy makes you experience contentment, serenity, and spiritual confidence. It gives you the freedom to be yourself, helps you to reach out with a smile on your face and love in your heart as you face and live out each situation in your life, whether pleasant or unpleasant. The theme of the fourth card is satisfaction. The description on the card reads, you let the energy of love guide you to self-approval so that others no longer define who you are. Experiencing true love of self within, reaching out to others in kindness, and living your life with cheerfulness and joy you enter the space of self-acceptance. Being in this realm enhances your self-confidence and elevates your self-esteem. As you understand yourself not only as capable of loving others and someone worthy of being loved by others, but also who love truly yourself. Hence, you are no more defined by others' approval or validation as you approve yourself. And this self approval and validation makes you a happy and satisfied person. My dear Aries friends, as you enter the month of July, cultivate the attitude of self love, kindness, joy, and satisfaction, and live them out in the practical situations of your daily life. May the universe and the divine powers empower you with these attitudes so that you can give the best and fullest expression to the love deep within you, making your life and that of your dear ones an enjoyable one during this month of July. This is my wish and prayer for you in the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.